Pretty cool how it all works. Meanwhile, back here in Indianapolis, things are much different. You can see right now it's very cloudy as you take a live look over downtown Indianapolis. We've been seeing a little bit of drizzle on and off all morning, but Kelly joins us now. The big key words: tracking for more potential severe weather.
Right. Today, you know, we are kind of in that in-between day where we're going to see that low cloud deck that you saw. It should start to mix out a bit. We're going to see a little bit of sunshine. We're going to get some peak heating this afternoon, helping set the stage for some strong storms overnight and during the afternoon on Wednesday. Right now on live Doppler 13 radar, mainly quiet. We've had a couple of isolated showers, and I'm putting this in motion from the past 1 hour. And we've had a couple of isolated thunderstorms, mainly in Allen County, Fort Wayne area for us. A few little isolated showers in Marion County now into Hamilton County. Temperatures, though, are warming up at 60 degrees right now in Indianapolis. 53 still in Kokomo. It's currently 67 in Bloomington. Dew points are sticky. It is going to be a muggy day with those winds out of the south, allowing that warm, moist air to settle into central Indiana. So it's going to be sticky this afternoon. Also breezy with winds out of the south, gusting around 35 miles per hour. Temperatures climb to 80 degrees. That would tie the record set back in 1929 of 80 degrees. If we hit that today, that's unseasonably mild. Here's a look at FUTURETRAK as we go through the afternoon. It does try to break up some of the clouds this afternoon, so we'll likely see some sunshine, and then the bulk of the storm system's really going to push in overnight tonight into tomorrow. So a few spotty showers will be possible during the early morning hours tomorrow. Pausing this at 2:30, could see a couple of isolated rumbles of thunder, and then anytime really after 7 a.m. into really the afternoon is when we're going to see the best chance of seeing some of these storms. Really tracking two different rounds of storms. The first one popping up likely around 7 a.m. till about 12 noon. I'll be on here with you tomorrow afternoon tracking any of that severe weather. Second round shows up around 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. We expect all platforms on the table here with tornadoes, possible damaging winds and large hail, and we have chances of downed trees, more power outages because of the storm system, and all of Indiana is outlined for a risk of severe weather number 3 threat, and some of those threats are pretty impressive. Unfortunately, we have this yellow area and a 15% chance that a tornado could pop up, and in this bright red here, this is a 30% chance of damaging wind risk, and then also hail in that red area, 30%. So a lot going on with this storm system. Tomorrow will be a day to be weather aware. This is at 9 a.m. tomorrow where we expect to see that first round of severe thunderstorms moving through the area. We'll likely at least see some very gusty winds out of these storms and some heavy downpours. Now after 3 p.m. here comes the next round. This could be the squall line that moves in ahead of the cold front. This will move on through the area again. Damaging winds, large hail and isolated tornadoes possible with these storms Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures Wednesday will hold near steady around 70 degrees, and then once that cold front moves through, we'll see temperatures falling on Thursday down into the low 40s, high of 55 Thursday afternoon. We're back into a nice pleasant weekend, but we got to get there first. Matthew.